Slushy too watery? Here's how to thicken it up. If your slushy finishes the cycle but the drink turns out watery instead of icy, it means something in the mix or cycle went wrong. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Make sure your mix has enough sugar. Low sugar or sugar-free mixes won't freeze properly and often come out runny. Aim for at least 4% sugar content in your base. Use juice, fruit concentrate, or a bit of simple syrup to boost it. Step 2. Chill your mix fully before starting. Room temperature liquids take longer to freeze and may not reach the right texture. Always refrigerate your mix until it's cold before pouring it in. Below 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal. Step 3. Don't stop the cycle early. Interrupting the freezing process halfway through can leave you with a partially frozen mess. Let the machine run the full cycle even if it looks close. It thickens more at the end. Step 4. Use the right fill level. Underfilling the container leads to uneven freezing. Stick to the fill line. Too little mix can freeze inconsistently and stay slushy. If your mix is still too thin, try adding fruit or yogurt next time to increase density. If this helped improve your texture, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast, practical appliance fixes. And if you want better results every time, we've linked a digital kitchen scale below. Great for getting your sugar ratios spot on. Thanks for watching, and swirl thick.